Wi-Fi not reaching every room, slow speed upstairs, dead zones everywhere. It is frustrating, very frustrating, but you can fix it by connecting multiple routers using AiMesh. Let me show you the exact method that works. First, understand this. Asus AiMesh allows you to connect multiple routers into one single Wi-Fi network. Same name, same password, better coverage. Now follow these steps carefully. Step 1. Check router compatibility. Make sure all routers support AiMesh. Check model list on Asus official website. Using unsupported routers will fail the setup. Step 2. Update firmware on all routers. Outdated firmware causes most connection issues. Connect to each router one by one. Go to settings then, go to administration, then go to firmware upgrade, then select check. Update all routers before starting. Step 3. Reset all secondary routers. This step is very important. Press and hold the reset button for 10 seconds. Wait until router fully restarts. Do this for every additional router. Step 4. Set up main router first. Your main router will control the network. Complete normal internet setup on it. Make sure Wi-Fi is working before adding nodes. Step 5. Place routers close for setup. Keep all routers within 3 to 5 feet during setup. This ensures proper detection. You can move them later. Step 6. Add first AiMesh node. Open Asus router app or web interface. Go to settings, then go to AiMesh, then select add AiMesh node. Wait for scan. Select your secondary router when it appears. Click apply. Wait 2 to 3 minutes. Step 7. Add more routers one by one. Repeat the same process for each router. Add nodes one at a time. Do not try to connect all at once. Step 8. Confirm all nodes are connected. Check AiMesh dashboard. You should see all routers listed as nodes. All should show connected status. Step 9. Optimize router placement. Now move routers to different rooms. Place each node halfway between main router and weak signal area. Avoid thick walls, metal, and interference. Step 10. Enable smart features. Enable Smart Connect. Go to settings, then go to wireless, then enable Smart Connect. This switches between 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz automatically. Step 11. Advanced troubleshooting. If node is not detected, reset router again, move it closer, restart main router. If connection drops, update firmware again, reduce interference from other devices. Use wired backhaul if possible for best stability. If your AiMesh setup is not working, write your problem in the comments. I will reply within 1 hour. Like, share, and subscribe to TechVibes. Follow these steps carefully, and your entire home will get fast, stable, and seamless Wi-Fi coverage.